In this video, I will show you how you can generate subtitles and captions for your YouTube videos and your stories. So you can see this is the timeline of your stories on Capcut. So you can actually generate automatic captions for this story and video for yourself using Capcut. It's very, very easy, okay? So when you come to this text tab, you click on text. Then right here, you see several options. You see add text. You equally see AI generated option effects, text templates. So we're interested in auto captions, which is the next option here, okay? So you see this is the auto caption menu right here. Now, the next thing you see here is an option for you to select the language you want to transcribe for. You can see English is selected as the default language. So you have a variety of other languages here like French, German, Indonesian, Italian, Korean, Filipino, Polish, and several other languages. So we're interested in using English language. Okay, so we'll select that. Now, we don't have previous captions on this particular video, as you can see. There's no previous captions of this video. Had even there is, we would have clicked on the clear current caption so that we can generate fresh caption. So, but this is the first caption we are generating for this particular story and this particular video. Okay. So what we have to do is we go ahead to click on generate. So you can see the pop-up window has come up. And right on this, you see it's now 45%. So it's definitely going to attain to 100% before we can see the list of all the generated captions that it has come up with. So we've got to exercise a patience for at least a minute or two. Also note that this makes use of data, so you need a strong internet connection for you to actualize this because this particular activity makes contact with Capcut servers remotely to be able to transcribe your videos and then give you the required subtitles and captions you need. So you can see it's now 68, 69, 70%, 72, okay? Okay, so it has finished. So you can see it has generated a new row that contains our caption. So right here, for example, this is it. If you click here, you see, if you look at the bottom, you see the caption it has created for us. So what we want to format this caption and make it more broader and bigger and more appealing. So what do? We click on any of these. So any of these here can be used for this. So we click on this. Then when you click on that, that's one of the captions generated for it here. You go over to templates, okay? Now, when you click on templates, it's definitely going to load a wide variety of Capcut templates. So any of them you click here, you are going to see the preview. So there are different options right here. Different captions available here. Okay. So let's see. Yeah. So I'm going to show you the one that I use more often than not. So I usually use this. So I usually use this particular one. So let me show you how it is. So once you click on that, you can see it has formatted the caption to look something like this. Okay. So I'll click on that again. If you bring up the option, then we'll go back to basic. Then under this basic, can you see it has taken this default font for that particular template we chose. Then this is the size. So if you want to increase the size, you see, you just adjust it. This is the text size. So it's either you increase or decrease it, depending on your own choice. So, but I usually prefer leaving the font size of these captions between 5 and 6 points. So anything between 5 and 6 is okay by me. Okay, so now I scroll down, and if you want to italize it, I usually like italicing more. See, so you click on italize. If you want it to be bolder, okay. Then if it was in small letter, if you want it to be capital letter, select this. But already you can see that that particular template we chose, we selected, already has a default option as capital letters. That's why everything falls on that capital letter. Okay. Now, if you want to have some space, you can always use this to add some space. So can you see there is widening gap here? You know, so you can leave it at this default state or value. Now, character, can you see if you are adjusting this, maybe increasing, can you see it's adjusting the characters or the space in between each of those characters? So we leave it at that. Now, let's play this so you see how it's going to look like. I'm going to widen this screen by dragging this down a little. Okay, so let's go.
In a small village named Amokwe, there lived a beautiful young woman whose name is Nneka. She was known far and wide for her kindness, intelligence, and stunning beauty.
So if you look here, you are definitely going to see.
Nneka was the apple of her father's.
So you will see these captions right here. So you see the words that have been pronounced are being highlighted. That's because of the template that we selected here. So if you select another template here, let me do that. So okay, once you click on this, it's definitely going to download that. So can you see it has taken effects right here on this? So let's play this again so you see how this goes.
And her mother, Adora, was a skilled weaver. They taught Nneka the.
Okay, so you can see this is it. So you can go back and switch it back to that particular one that I always prefer working with. Okay, so this is it. So it has switched back to that my preferred template option. So you can see it's very easy to generate subtitles and captions for your videos using Capcut. So go ahead to try this out today. And also, I would like to hear your thoughts and your experiences concerning this in the comment section below. You can ask your questions, and if you need any clarifications, you can also reach out to me by typing it down in the comment section below and via the link in the description of this video. So I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, go ahead to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Also, check out the playlist of other interesting and amazing tutorials about how you can create African folktale stories and AI-generated images using free tools. So as you can see, this is Capcut. And Capcut is a free tool. You can utilize it to actualize your goal and objective. Okay. Now I want to also show you how to edit. For example, if there are some sentence errors or grammatical errors, you can edit them right here. So for example, okay. So once you click on any of these, if you click on any of these captions, it will bring up this menu. See, this is the one we are in where we got the templates for the text for the captions. Now, when you go to the real captions, you see the words of those transcripts written, boldly right there. So let me show you. So right here, assuming you want to change this, this is known as this somebody's name. This is supposed to be somebody's name. So, but when you want to change it or replace it, you highlight it, click on find and replace. So the right name should be Neka, something like this. This should be the right name. Then you click on replace of this. You can see it shows you notification on replace. So it scans through the entire script, the entire storyline and the video, and replaces that previous word with this one wherever it finds the previous word or name. So you can go ahead to check them out and see. So you see, this is supposed to be she was the apple of her father's, So you highlight that, click on find and replace, and use the appropriate words to replace it, so that sentence will be more grammatically aligned and correct when the viewer sees them on the screen. So you can scroll down here. So you see this in Neka. This is not the correct spelling of Neka. So So right here you see this is Mecca. So it's supposed to be Mecca. Okay. So replace it with something like this. So to have, you know, the right name. So you see, this is equally not the appropriate spelling. So we can replace this with the right spelling, which is Emeka. Emeka, replace all. So the A is grammatical representation of this.